Are pet stains and stubborn messes turning your carpet into a battlefield? If so, this BISSELL JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner is the hero you've been waiting for. Designed by pet owners for pet owners, this powerful and lightweight machine is engineered to tackle the toughest stains and restore your carpets to their former glory. Whether you're dealing with mud tracks, pet accidents, or everyday dirt, the JetScrub Pet has you covered. Here's why this carpet cleaner is a game changer for pet owners and anyone who demands spotless carpets. Why choose BISSELL JetScrub Pet? 1. Powerful cleaning performance. The XL DirtLifter PowerBrush and CleanShot Pretreater ensure deep, thorough cleaning. 2. Lightweight and easy to use. At less than 14 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver, making it perfect for quick cleanups. 3. Quick drying time. Express Clean Mode dries carpets in about 30 minutes. 4. User-friendly maintenance, as cleanup design makes maintaining the machine a breeze. 5. Supports pet rescue efforts. Every purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. More about this item. The BISSELL JetScrub Pet is equipped with an XL DirtLifter PowerBrush featuring 10 rows of bristles that work together to lift and remove deeply embedded stains. This powerful brush roll, combined with the CleanShot Pretreater, makes quick work of even the most stubborn pet stains. Simply apply the pretreatment to tough spots, let it work its magic, and then watch as the JetScrub Pet's powerful suction pulls the dirt and stains out of your carpet fibers. One of the standout features of the JetScrub Pet is its lightweight design. Weighing in at less than 14 pounds, this carpet cleaner is incredibly easy to carry and maneuver around your home. The compact size means it handles more like a vacuum cleaner than a traditional carpet cleaner, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Whether you're moving it from room to room or carrying it up and down stairs, the JetScrub Pet won't wear you out. Nobody wants to wait around for their carpets to dry after cleaning. Thankfully, the JetScrub Pet's Express Clean Mode gets your carpets dry in about 30 minutes. This feature is perfect for busy households where time is of the essence. You can clean up those inevitable pet messes and get back to your routine without having to tiptoe around damp carpets. Maintaining the JetScrub Pet is as easy as using it. The cleanup design includes a removable brush roll, nozzle, and dirty water tank, all of which can be rinsed out in the sink. This thoughtful design feature ensures that your machine stays clean and ready for the next use without any hassle. Plus, the collapsible handle makes storage a breeze, allowing you to tuck the JetScrub Pet away in small spaces. The JetScrub Pet isn't just about brute cleaning power. It's also packed with smart features that make cleaning easier and more effective. LED headlights illuminate hidden stains, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Electronic fingertip controls provide easy access to all the machine's functions, and the included trial-size Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula tackles the toughest pet stains with ease. When you purchase a BISSELL JetScrub Pet, you're not just investing in a cleaner home, you're also supporting a great cause. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. For every JetScrub Pet purchased, BISSELL donates $10 to the foundation. This year alone, BISSELL has committed to donating at least $1,000 to help pets in need. By choosing BISSELL, you're helping to make pet messes and pet homelessness disappear. Customers rave about the BISSELL JetScrub Pet's effectiveness and ease of use. Many pet owners have shared stories of how this carpet cleaner has saved their carpets from seemingly hopeless stains. The combination of powerful suction, effective brushes, and advanced cleaning solutions provides professional-grade results right at home. Users also appreciate the quick drying time and the machine's ability to clean a variety of surfaces, from carpets to upholstery and stairs. Conclusion: the BISSELL JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a complete solution for pet owners dealing with tough stains and messes. Its powerful cleaning capabilities, user-friendly design, and lightweight build make it an essential addition to any pet owner's cleaning arsenal. Plus, the added benefit of supporting a worthy cause makes it a purchase you can feel good about. If you're tired of battling pet stains and want a cleaner, fresher home, the BISSELL JetScrub Pet is the answer. Don't wait any longer. Invest in the BISSELL JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner and experience the difference it can make in your home today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.